Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Discover student account. If you are a student and you'd like to view and manage your student loan account on Discover, then here's how to do it. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address box at the top of the screen, type in www.discover.com/studentloans and press enter. You'll end up in the official website. Go ahead and click on the login button in the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. In the pop-up, you'll be able to see your login area displayed on the screen. Go ahead and type in your user ID in the user ID text box and head over to the password field and type in your password. Double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal it. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this Remember User ID box. But if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave it unchecked before logging in. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on Forgot User ID/password link and follow the instructions to look for your user ID or to reset your password. Finally, after entering all of your informations, click the login button and you'll be logged into your Discover student loan account. Quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.